Lithium batteries not charging on Hoover 1 Power new vacuum. Thank you. How to fix or get replacement battery charger.
How old is your Hoover vacuum?
6 months if at that.
How long has this been going on with your Hoover vacuum? What have you tried so far?
It came with 2 batteries, so swap them out, neither one taking a charge. Check to see if any debris in charger, moving to another outlet, letting charge overnight.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No. Help submitted question.
Hello, I'm sorry to hear your vacuum is giving you a headache. I'm sure that is frustrating. I'm not aware of a user-friendly repair to the battery charger. Here is a link to a 1 power charger. https://www.amazon.com/Hoover 1 Power Lithium Battery Charger /TP/BO7QM9PNCB1 Concern: it does not work with the BH04000 battery with it being so new. Do you think you can get it covered under warranty?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.